clinical attack, and the tournament's most dominant possession game, 63% average. Key players to watch. For Morocco, it is Brahim Diaz, who is a forward. The tournament's top goal scorer with 5 goals. His movement in the final third has been the primary reason Morocco survived tough low blocks. Another player, key player for Morocco, is Ashraf Hakim, their captain. He's a fullback. The 2025 African Footballer of the Year, he is the tactical engine of the team, providing width and elite delivery for Morocco. Senegal, the key player is Sadio Mane, the forward. The veteran talisman, he scored the winning goal in the semi-final against Egypt and remains the emotional and tactical heartbeat of the Lions. Another key player for Senegal is Nicolas Jackson, the striker.